for Brazil. Closed down by Rodriguez, but away from him now. Who's next?
Marcelo, on to Neymar. What can he do here, Neymar? Neymar! That's exactly what he can do! Score again. This is Neymar. Stopped it! It's it! It's up for Brazil!
As long as they don't suffer a heavy defeat here, he's not on the cards. They're not going to suffer with
Still either team to find a winner. Neymar.
full of goals. Brazil will be hoping he does the same. Here's Neymar. Neymar. Here with the tackle. Gustavo breaking things up, looking for Neymar.